Mass Ave T, orange line. Let's check it out. So here's a way you can get up here straight from Northeastern. I know they can get on at Ruggles as well. Take a look at the tracks. Ruggles down there. This is a little path though that cuts back and connects. That'll weave your way all the way into Northeastern. Come in here. Mass Ave, orange line. There's only one bus that connects, and it's actually bus 1. There's maps over here. There's an exit that'll put you across the other side of the street.
Train arrives in 3 minutes.
Here's the more, main entrance, right on Mass Ave. So you got that one on the other side. There's a blinker here to cross, and then this one here.
Train service will bypass Market Station.